2016 Ford F-150 4x4 Supercrew Lariat here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, actually just a 2-owner truck is all. Actual miles, 145,236 on it at the moment. Well-maintained, ruby red metallic exterior, black leather bucket seats up front. Let's take a look at the front grille, bumper. This does have the Lariat chrome appearance package on it also. Underneath the hood, 2.7 liter EcoBoost that's paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to see exactly how this truck is equipped, you'll be able to see the still picture of the window sticker. And all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Tires are date coded 2022. As you can see, the Ford chrome wheels. There are some accessories that have been added to this truck too. As you can see, running boards. We're going to get to the back. It does have a bed mat, rubber bed mat in the rear of the truck, and it does have the tonneau cover. Check those out in just a bit. So you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down this passenger side. There's your typical, little touch-up or pebble chips or what have you on the front, where you can see it's been touched up. But again, well maintained. Paint has a nice shine to it. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Rear seating surface is in nice shape. Headliner's good. That tonneau cover I was talking about. A couple more accessories here that go along with it. It does have, looks like the WeatherTech floor mats for up front, and also rubber mat for the second row. It also has these brackets that have been put on in the bed. You can see them, there's 4 of them there. Those actually have tie downs that will lock in and lock out. You'll see those in the still pictures. There's that rubber mat. Some of the accessories that you're going to see as far as how it was equipped from the factory, so I should say factory accessories that were put on this. It does have the 36-gallon extended range tank, trailer tow package with power folding mirrors. I believe those telescope in and out also. The tailgate step. Technician noted the brakes are 85% in the front, 80% in the rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Get on this side. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to get with the Lariat package, the standard equipment you're going to get on a Ford F-150. Of course, the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seating. Of course, leather buckets, power seat over here on the driver's side, as you can see. Tilt column, steering wheel controls. Adjustable pedals. There's your exact miles again, 145, 236, no service, engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that. Stereo system working fine, of course the center console. Dash looks good. Slip around to the back, so you can hear this run. There's a 2.7 liter EcoBoost. 6-speed automatic. Nice and clean underneath the hood liner, nice shape. And here it is. Nice clean engine bay. Like I said, well maintained, smooth runner. A lot of life left in this one. 2016 Ford F-150 4x4 Supercrew Lariat. Check out how it's equipped on that window sticker in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside of the truck. Take your time looking through the underside pics. Interior, engine bay, bed. UniqueClassicCars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today I'm taking you for a ride in a 2016 Ford F-150. This with 4 full-size doors, plenty of seating, a beautiful interior. Black with some wood grain. I guess that decides it. In 2016 we still had wood grain. Nice looking truck and a smooth runner. All our gauges appear to be working well. The oil pressure almost 3/4 of the way up, the temperature a little less than half. Our fuel gauge reads full. And next to that, a gauge that's always fun, a turbo gauge, letting you know this is a power adder. Stereo sounds good. I'm blowing a little heat today out of the HVAC system and heated seats. Driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats in this truck. Loaded up nicely. It's an automatic with a center console shifter, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Steering wheel controls, of course, all the great amenities from 2016. Nice quiet ride in this truck. Of course, down below we've got USB power ports. Beautiful truck inside and out. Brakes nice and smooth. Feels to be well maintained. Tachometer and speedometer also working as they should. Right in the middle we've got a digital speedometer. Easier to read, but you do have the needle as well, which is always nice. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. A nice running, nice handling truck from Ford. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.